All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am with my friend Dave. He has driven with his trike to the church, and we're going to be going on a trike ride, a route that is new to us. And here's Dave with his ice trike. He has the Bafang electric assist. And then Myrtle is here, and I have the Shimano Steps E8000. So all right, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Okay, we are leaving the church. We are all saddled up and ready to go on a nice trike ride. I don't know if you can hear, there is lawn equipment. It's like a theme song for Southern California. Okay, looking both ways, going out to this busier street. Got Dave behind me here. Look at you. Wow, two of you. Well, aren't you cool looking? And we got a pig. He's coming over to say hi to. Well, aren't you a friendly lot? Oh, that's so fun. Hi. Oh yeah. You got something to say too. Look at you. You're spotted. Couple of spotted chickens here. Hi, Mr. Pig. We got regular chickens, and we got a turkey, and some emus. Wow, how fun are you? Yeah, well, very nice to meet you. All right. Yeah, we are less than 3 miles into this ride, and we're already into a very sparsely populated area. So our first stop is a wildlife preserve. This is the Coachella Valley Wildlife Preserve. We are hoping that there's a bathroom here, but it's kind of a cool oasis. You can see all the palm trees. There's definitely water here. And I love these palm trees. They have, the beards. The palm trees in town, they shave the beards because the palm fronds are so big and long and they have thorns on them. And so it's just too dangerous to have them falling into traffic onto the sidewalk.
Yeah, I know. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks a lot for the reminder.
You're welcome to walk
So kind.
You can see that there's signs for the San Andreas Fault. Unfortunately, they are not allowing people to bring bikes in here right now, and the bathrooms are closed. So we've been asked to turn our trikes around, and we're just going to head out and keep going on our ride. Yeah, here's another oasis. These bearded palm trees. This is a rock formation that's an example of the San Andreas Fault. It has pushed up these rocks over time. And you can see there's holes in the rocks where critters are living. Yeah, it's all pretty interesting. All right, we are coming to the end of this beautifully freshly paved smooth road. And we are turning on Dillon Road. Very popular for biking, goes a long way. Nice job, Dave. Yeah. Well, it was coming down fast. It was getting really close to you, but you did really well. That's awesome. little drama here on the road. Dave has a flat.
Yeah, look at
Oh
that.
my gosh, look at that.
It's actually.
Yep, there he goes. All right, Dave and I are back on the road. He made quick work of fixing that flat, threw a new tube in it. And we're back on the road. You can see there's an oasis. We're coming to an oasis. I think we're also coming to the little town of Coachella. And Coachella is where the Burning Man festival is held. Look at all these, these like barrel cactuses. Yeah, it's beautiful. All right, everybody, we are back at church. I've got Myrtle already put away. My battery is charging, and Dave is getting his trike put on his bike rack, secure and locked. Dave, I thought that ride was great. Thank you. Yeah, really a nice ride. I would do it again. I thought that was super fun.